Let's analyze the stock market trading session for today, Thursday, April 28, 2022. This is a daily chart of the S&P 500. Looks like this level around 4160 held again for the third time in the last couple of months. And we move much higher today. It was a very nice day today, back above the 5-day moving average, but I did not buy any shares. As I mentioned yesterday, the reason why is because Apple and Amazon were reporting after the close, and those two stocks can really move the market. So expect a gap in the morning, either up or down. So based on extended hours, the market will open lower tomorrow. Take a look at the 5-minute chart. Open higher, pull back, and consolidated here. And after that, it just went up how many points? 30, roughly 100 points without a single pullback. Yeah, it was a pause here, but not a single pullback. So it was a big rally. Very nice price action, but of course, I decided to skip this trade because of the reasons mentioned earlier. Levels that I'll be watching tomorrow, really the main support or resistance, really depends how we open, will be the 5-day moving average. I still want to play this bounce, but if we open lower, I want to see if support is strong. If we dip below support, pushes back above support, I will consider buying tomorrow, so long we close above the 5-day moving average, but very difficult for me to anticipate a potential scenario for tomorrow. Now for the Nasdaq 100, very nice bullish action. 13,000 was the magic number. Looks like it was able to bounce off that level. However, after hours, after Amazon and Apple reported, it was trading a much lower. I think it closed the extended session around 13,300. So around this level, same as the S&P 500, I'll be watching the 5-day moving average, and that will depend whether I go long or not tomorrow. If tomorrow is able to close above, say, this level, 13,300, above the 5-day moving average, that will be very bullish. For the Dow Jones Industrial Average, same as the other indices, this one was able to bounce back also back above the 5-day moving average. Big resistance just above. You got the 50, the 10, and the 20-day moving averages. So that could be potentially a big resistance. So we'll see. But very difficult to gauge the strength of this rally just based on today's price action. Now for the semiconductor index, this one was stronger than the other indices, back above the 5-day moving average and above the 10-day moving average. Of course, like I mentioned, looks like tomorrow we're going to open lower. So these levels that I'll be watching tomorrow, these moving averages, the 10 and the 5, closing at least above the 5, that will be bullish. However, I will consider only buying this one once it trades above or stays above the 10-day moving average. But this one is looking very bullish. For the Russell 2000, this one was very, very bullish candle. You can look at this candle early in the morning. It was really getting smoked way below this support around 187.5. It was able to push back above way and close way above that level around the 5-day moving average. That will be important. That level, the 5-day moving average, and this support level also. If it's able to stay above the 5-day moving average, that will be very bullish. I'm not planning on trading the IWM. I will be focusing on the semiconductor index. S&P 500 and the Nasdaq 100, and I will play one of those, two out of those three indices. Thanks for stopping by, and good luck trading tomorrow.